What's up, people? My it's day 3 here with 0 to millions. Yesterday I got overwhelmed. So the day before, I actually drew this out yesterday. The goal is a $1 million funnel, right? And then these are the roles in Russell's 2 Club program. He basically said there's 7 people required to, 7 roles. You can play all the roles, it's just overwhelming. I actually put it away. But it basically says there needs to be a video editor, there needs to be a product developer, a copywriter, designer, funnel builder, and a traffic person. And it was kind of overwhelming to do all of them. So I don't know, just wearing all those hats kind of tears you apart and you're spread thin all along. So the change of course is just to focus on YouTube right now. So the tools for that is Premiere, microphone, Audition for Adobe like microphone stuff, and understanding YouTube SEO. So like if I can figure that out in the next like 2-3 weeks, maybe just go all in on it. Like don't focus about copywriting, don't focus on anything. It was really good to read copy because it opened my eyes and it gave me understanding of the whole thing. Like now I'm a lot less afraid of it, I guess. Before copy was a struggle, so that's out of the way. But I guess in a way we're focusing on traffic right now. Yeah, which is YouTube, which includes video editing and things like that. So the plan today is I want to publish like 6 videos because, actually let's not make that promise. We're gonna shoot for like 2 today. Yeah, I just wanted to check in on you guys. Check in on myself, shit. All right, I'll see you guys later today. We'll see. Actually, well, yeah, so goals, 2 videos. And I'm gonna be geeking out on the YouTube stuff all day today. So watching courses, watching other people's, let me show you what actually, I don't know. Dang, I'm gonna make sure I put it in the other way next time. Okay, I'll see you guys, later today. So geeking out on YouTube stuff all day and produce 2 videos, thumbnails and all that stuff. All right guys, peace. Yo, what's up? I started early. Gleb's in the background, he's telling me like to take action. But like, he did it and then we messed it up. Anyways, yo, so day 4 of my journey. Today went well. Not in the sense of making videos, because I still didn't make any videos. But I went through a lot. Like I went through like 3 courses on only Spencer Meckham stuff. And then I took all of his stuff, because I went to the 30-day book, guys. 30 days, let me show you where it is. Dang, I'm so not ready. Where's that? Check it out. Boom! You guys know anything about this? Basically, Russell Brunson, I don't know if you guys know, I'm gonna share it with you anyways. Russell Brunson, he asked some of his people that were not top producers, but like had big followings and big funnels, to come up to give him a plan what they would do in 30 days if they lost everything and the only thing they had was their internet connection, a roof over their head, and ClickFunnels. And so they came up with this plan. And Spencer Meckham, the top affiliate for ClickFunnels, actually wrote a plan too. And it's day by day, everything that is gonna be. So I wrote it down. I don't know if you guys can see. It's right here on the thing. You can't really see it, but I wrote down day by day. That way, like, it's just a summary of that step. That way I can see why he did it, what he did, where traffic came from, how he's doing everything. So it was just very cool to see. So, and then I went to his course because I bought it before, and I watched that, and I watched a lot of his videos today. So a lot of learning today, and in the meantime, like I would pause, and then I would like, if he's talking about something, like for example, he was talking about online jobs, that PH. Those are the where you can hire virtual assistants in the Philippines. So it's like maybe it's not information that's worth making a video about, but it's like little things here and here that made a lot of sense to me. So I feel like I made progress in that way. Anyways, I wanted to check in, let you guys know that I'm not dead. Sid is the only one listening. All right, hey, actually, let me see if I got anything. I also took screenshots of all Spencer Meckham's videos and see how, like, what the theme was, and then just seeing his plan, and then seeing him do it on his channel, and then watching this course, like it's all like coming together. So the next step for me is to create a free course as an incentive for some of you followers to join ClickFunnels Raw. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.